Hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys around the apartment and give a little apartment decor update. So it is Sunday when I'm filming this, and this little boy, hi, has been salty all day because Matt made breakfast for us. He made pumpkin pancakes. You guys, if you have not tried the Trader Joe's gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix, you absolutely have to. It is so freaking good. So Matt made those, and then he made some bacon, and Gouda was really jealous. He was literally like growling at us while we ate. He really wanted in on the breakfast, right? Were you jealous that you didn't get any breakfast? You cutie little dog. Oh, big yawn. Okay, so before I take you guys around and show you some of the updates, including this awesome freaking bookshelf that we have. And stay tuned also, I am gonna do like an official full-blown apartment tour to show you guys like all of the little nitty-gritty things. Stay tuned for that. I just wanna give you guys kind of like an informal little updates one. But before I do, I wanna tell you guys about a brand that I am so excited to be working with. I'm excited to officially announce that I am one of the newest ambassadors for the brand Parade. They make apparel, intimates, bralettes, underwear, tanks, long sleeves, short sleeves. This amazing black shirt is from them. So I'll show you guys. It comes to kind of right above the belly button, so it's a great length. It is so soft, like buttery soft. And if you know me, you know I'm extremely tactile. I do not take the term buttery soft lightly, so I promise you, and if I tell you a fabric is buttery soft, it is buttery soft, because I am so freaking tactile with fabrics. Matt can attest, I change outfits like 5 times a day, literally. So I got some underwear from Parade, 3 different styles, so I wanted to show you all of them and kind of explain why I love the brand so much. I mean, the brand values their customer service. They are just the most organized brand I've ever worked with from an ambassador standpoint. And also the prices are super affordable and the quality is so good. I've never found underwear that I feel like is as good quality for that affordable of a price. So this is the first pair that I have. You can see there's like a little shimmery look to the sides. Full coverage on the butt. It's a fun neon green. Also, I definitely am a size small, but I got a size medium because I'm a medium in some other brands in the underwear. So these are a little bit loose on me, but not too loose, just as a kind of size recommendation. So that is this first pair here. This second pair is just like a complete seamless underwear. You can see there's like literally no seams. It is a burgundy maroon. The color is amazing. As you can see, it's got a really nice stretch to it. It is so soft, so soft. And then the third pair that I also love is also so soft. You guys can see here, it is a beautiful ribbed, it's like a periwinkle, and it is like a high waist with a nice thick waistband. Ladies, this is the ultimate pair of period underwear. It is high waist, it is full coverage, it is soft, it like hugs you in. It is so freaking comfortable. So I am just so excited to be working with Parade. And if you guys use my code JBethJS, you can get 20% off of your order. So if you're looking for some new basics, some great intimates, maybe even just some tops, some tanks, definitely recommend. I just placed actually another order last night for some long sleeve shirts and some tops. So when those come in, I will be sure to show you guys as well. So let's get to the fun apartment stuff. the really big, exciting new updates in the apartment are the gallery wall, which was a major labor of love. I had this like picture and vision for how I wanted this wall to look. I knew that I wanted to go with a black and white theme. That is actually the theme that Matt and I have decided to go with for really all of our wall art so far. So if you notice in the bedroom, we have that beautiful white painting, and we have 2 other black and white photos, as well as some wall art in the bathroom. So you can see I've got these fun ladies here, and I do want to put a shelf, a little black shelf, which we already have here, but I just love the way that this bathroom looks with the shower curtain, super fun. And I also love the way that this looks. Like you can see these, I'm so bad at pointing when I'm vlogging. I'm like, I don't know how to do, I can't look in the camera and point in the right direction. I always go opposite. So these, I love how these look against this in the background. It just looks so nice and cohesive together. And what's super fun about this gallery wall is everything on this wall has a lot of significance to it. So Matt did crew when he was in high school, and so we've got that. This is a letter that I wrote to my parents. Like I wrote when I was like 9-ish years old, and it's about how much I hate responsibilities. This is a letter that Matt wrote when he was like 9 years old about how much he hates chores. So we thought that was hilarious. Then we've got some photos of each of our parents. And then just some hand-drawn things. We've got Albert Einstein, which has significance to me, Pretty Flower, Hotel Lafayette, and this incredible puzzle, my friend Allison and Nick O'Connor, which if you guys are like OG subscribers, you saw I went to Rust Belt Love and did a little interview with Allison and Nick to talk all about their business. So I will link that up here if you guys want to see. But Allison and Nick made that puzzle over the pandemic and sold it. And so I put that together and was like, this is way too beautiful to just like throw back into a box. So I love the gallery wall. That is super exciting. I also love the wall art that we hung in the bedroom. That is definitely one of my new favorite additions that we literally did today. And this bookshelf is definitely one of my favorite pieces in the apartment also, because just like the pipes, as you can see here, we've got the whole exposed like ductwork stuff going on. And the number of people who have commented on that bookshelf being like, it literally looks like it came with the apartment. Just blends in so seamlessly. And I also love our little plant corner over there. And this is Matt's chair that he brought, and it's just like such a nice little cozy little spot. So when you guys see me with the camera at this angle, I'm like, this is gonna be my new little like kind of chat with you guys and vlog spot. So just loving how the apartment is coming together. In the back behind me, we have our daybed. It came, but we haven't set it up yet, and we still need to get a mattress for it. So that's why you guys still have to wait for the full-blown apartment tour. As soon as we do that, I'm gonna have Matt be behind the camera and kind of do like a MTV Cribs vlog style, where I give you guys a full-blown tour, show you all the little nitty-gritty things in the apartment. But before I finish off the vlog, what's your favorite part of our apartment?
Right where I was just standing. Because from the kitchen you get the view through all of these windows, which the viewers can't see right now.
Yeah, I'll show you guys in a
But
second.
the light is just so good, and just the hominess of this kind of living space. I mean, it was the first thing that we set up when we moved in, and it's only gotten more homey.
Yeah, definitely.
With the bookcase and the plants, and we, you know, having the stools ahead of time was great.
Yes.
And just everything combined is just, it's so nice.
It is so nice.
And I'm gonna set up the daybed today.
Really? Oh, ambitious.
It won't take me too long.
Matt's on a roll. Matt has built all of this stuff. You guys, I don't know what I would, well, what I would have done is just paid someone to set it up for me. Matt put together that bookshelf, the TV stand, which I will show you guys. This TV stand is amazing. It is from Amazon. Put in the comments if you guys want me to leave the link for that, and I will definitely leave you guys the link. I love the TV stand so much. And you're right, also the stools were clutch too. The stools just look everything just looks so good together.
Match perfectly.
Yeah, it just,
Without being the same.
yep. Yeah, it's just all been coming together so nicely. We couldn't be happier. So yeah, Matt apparently is going to be super ambitious and put together the day bed. He put together that clothing rack that I showed you guys. Ooh, we have this shoe organizer. Let me show you guys that before I end off the vlog. This is also so freaking cool, you guys. So check this thing out. So right when you enter, it is right here. It literally is super like thin, you know, it's not even very wide, but check this out, you guys. It's a shoe holder. It can fit 6 pairs of shoes. Oh, actually I've got 8 in here. So I've got a bunch of shoes on the bottom one, Matt has shoes on the top one, and then this one is just a regular drawer. We have Gouda's little like rain jacket, an umbrella, and a flashlight. And that little piece of furniture is clutch. Matt assembled that, which looked like it was not easy. He assembled this. He put together the entire bed himself. I mean, he's literally put together everything and done it completely himself. I kept expecting to need to like hold or stabilize or something, and he just built literally all this stuff himself. So I'm very, very grateful for his handy skills, and oh, just love the bedroom. It's so exciting. So I cannot wait to give you guys a full-blown apartment tour, show you everything, but I didn't want to wait to give you guys a little update and show you where we were at. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out, because I'm going to be giving you a full-blown apartment tour super soon. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!